What's up, guys? So I'm currently in this USD CHF trade. So yeah, I'm waiting for it to hit the first partial. I'm taking 50% off here. It's my first partial. Yeah, and yeah, although my emotions right now all over the place. I haven't yet set to break even because my rules tell me it's not yet break even level. Yeah, but I might pass the challenge with this one trade because it has a very high risk reward ratio. Yeah, let me just show you the trade on TradingView. Yeah, so this is the actual trade. As you can see, it's a 1 to 40. Yeah, and it's about to hit my first TP just at this high right here. Yeah, if it reverses, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. So anyway, let's see how things are going on. Let's see 200 and up 226 USD. Yeah, I'm taking screenshots to make me feel nice if it does reverse. Yeah, like I'll remember, hey, I reached these profits, yay, way. But yeah, anyway, let's see how things will go. Okay, so we're about to hit the first partial. Yeah, price actually began to retrace, but I still didn't set break even since I haven't yet taken out this high. Yeah, once we take out this high and I secure the partial, I'm setting my stop loss to break even, and I'll let the rest run till not the profit target, because the profit target is actually way larger than the actual 8%. Like I'll earn way more than 8% when I hit the profit target. So I'm closing before the profit target. Immediately I just hit the, if it runs perfectly, immediately I just hit 4% on my other position. Yeah, I'm closing it out, because yeah, it means I would have passed phase 1. So yeah, I'll see how things will go on that one. It's just yeah, price, what the hell, just hit my freaking first TP. Why is it taking so long? Every second that's passing feels like, I don't know, like torture. Like, just hit the freaking TP. This feels like torture. This is literally torture. Oh my god. I mean, just look at this. Look at the amount of emotion you have to go through just for this simple thing. Look at, I mean, look at how, price can literally just reverse from here and there's nothing I can do about it. Like, it can literally just reverse right from here and hit my freaking stop loss, and there's nothing I can do about it. Because I just have to follow my rules. I have to be a freaking robot. Yeah, so it's freaking crazy. Yeah, anyway, I'm just observing. I can't record this thing forever. Yeah, I thought it was going to hit TP very very soon, but it seems like it's now consolidating near my TP, so I'll begin recording a bit later. Okay, so we finally hit TP1 just a few seconds ago. Where the heck is the trade? Oh, it's down here. Yeah, we've hit TP1, so now I'm setting this one to break even. Yeah, what is my break even price? 97,893. Yeah, so I now set to break even, and yeah, it's now, price can do whatever it wants from here. It can reverse. At least now I've taken risk off the table and I've secured a good about 4-5% somewhere there. Yeah, no, 4%, approximately 4 point something percent. Yeah, so let me just and today I actually almost forward into a trade apparently. Yeah, almost forward into a trade. Yeah, I'll explain later how I almost forward. But yeah, this one, if it reaches 200 something USD, I'm done. I've passed the challenge. When it just reaches 200 USD, wait, how much? How many USD? How much USD? What am I saying? Cured 142, right? Yeah, about 142. So I need how much more USD? Need about 250 somewhere, 260 USD. So when it reaches 260 somewhere, 270, I'm closing. Yeah. Anyway, so my final tip is actually on this high right here. But as you can see, that's a lot of risk reward. It will be way more than enough, so I'm closing before that. I have to calculate, maybe it's somewhere here where I have to close somewhere around here. I'll just calculate that later. Otherwise, this is what's happening. Yeah. Anyway, see how things will go. What's up, people? Yeah, so I've actually finally passed the challenge. So the trade has finally hit TP. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the upgrade button to appear somewhere here. Yeah, to probably appear when the time resets. Yeah, otherwise you can see what 8%, and I'm really excited. Really happy. Just passed it in one day. Yeah, with one trade. Yeah, so let me just show you the account quickly. You can see we're up by 403 USD. Yeah, which is 8% of the account. Yeah, for the past, ever since I started the challenge, I've just been setting limits. I've been left out, until I actually got tapped in today. Yeah, finally. So it's yeah, we can see now we're just waiting for phase 2. This is the trade, CHFJPY. You can see it's skyrocketing. Yeah, my initial target is here for the actual trade, somewhere here. Let me just show it to you on trading view. Yeah, we can see the trade is there. It's skyrocketing 1 to 40. This is the first, if this trade hits TP, to be the first ever 1 to 40 I've ever caught ever since I started trading. Yeah, which that's pretty amazing. So, and it's a day trade, so that's crazy. A 1 to 40 day trade. Yeah, I know a lot of people catch these types of trades, but it's not really, if I wanted to catch this consistently, I can do it, but like it's very, it comes with some certain drawbacks. Yeah, if you want to catch such high risk reward consistently, you have to face a lot. You have a very very low win rate, and yeah, that's not fun to have. So yeah, I do catch from time to time, but I not really that consistently. Yeah, I stick to the quite low risk reward, but if I would compare it to other people, obviously it's freaking high. But just in general, in the smart money space, what this cout, can call it a cout. Yeah, I'm quite on the lower end of the risk reward ratios. Yeah, so it's cool. We'll see how things will go. Yeah, otherwise I'm just really excited. You can see 30 days remaining, 100% win rate. Yeah, anyway, which obviously this is not sustainable in the long run. You can't have a 100% win rate, but yeah, it just feels nice to look at it. 100% win rate. Yeah, anyway, we'll see you guys next week. Otherwise, the next video I'm dropping is obviously my weekly outlook for next week. I'm not trading NFP. Maybe on my personal account I'll update that, but for the MFF, yeah, in fact I can't even trade any MFF until I upgrade, so it's probably next week. Otherwise, I'd really appreciate a subscribe, a like on the video, join the Telegram group. Currently, like, I don't know, 5 people in there now. I think I also have to put in the work in inviting people, but yeah, there are a few people right now in the group. He said when they reach 10 I'll be updating the setups that I'll be taking. So yeah, just join the group there. Link is in the description. And yeah, otherwise, peace. What's up, guys? So this is the update on that USD CHF trade. Yeah, so as you can see, it literally reversed after reaching near my TP zone. But since I wasn't in the trade, I haven't really that been emotionally affected. But I'm just disappointed that my face over no 1 to 40. Yeah, anyway, it's cool. Otherwise, for the challenge, yeah, just have to trade the minimum 5 trading days for phase 1. Then we can go to phase 2. Just have to trade the minimum 5 trading days for phase 1. Then we can go to phase 2. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.